Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Transform your workspace with the DeWALT floor cleaning set for extraction systems. This complete kit is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand cleanliness and efficiency. With 2 aluminum suction pipes and a versatile combination nozzle, you can tackle any mess with ease. This set features a 12-inch wide cleaning path and a 360-degree swivel capability, perfect for covering large areas quickly. Plus, its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make maneuvering a breeze. Say goodbye to dust and debris. This set is your go-to solution for maintaining a clean work environment, ensuring optimal dust extraction and compliance with health regulations. Discover the compatible tools at the link in the description.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.